Home business tips that everyone should know. Ready to start running your own home business? What's the matter? You don't know what to do or where to start with it? No worries, this video has your back. Below are some tips and tricks that can get you started with the basics of how to successfully run your own home business. If you have a hobby such as carving wood, this can be a great skill to put to good use. Apart from selling the products that you can also make a great deal of extra class from offering lessons to those who want to learn. Classes can be as large or small as you want. Don't be afraid to ask for help with your home business. Asking for help shows that you are strong enough to realize that you cannot solve every problem. Asking about what you don't know is a great way to learn what you need to learn. By asking people intelligent questions, you will get the help you need. Determine an advertising budget for your home business. It is important to trade with other companies, offer a selection of free products for prizes and have other means of advertisement. However, the costs can quickly add up, so it is important to be aware of how much you have to spend and stay within that limit. Create a backup plan for possible problems in your home business. If you are collecting customer data, be sure you have a data backup plan such as an external data storage site. If you are storing physical products for sale, make sure you have adequate insurance coverage in case of damage or theft. Consider the problems relevant to your business and plan accordingly. Have a home office or home office area for your business. In order to be productive, you need to have a space that allows you to stay organized, finish your projects, and work on your bills. Everyone in your family needs to be aware that while you are working, the distractions must be kept to a minimum. Giving up is a recipe for failure in achieving your goals and success. Even when dealing with the smaller challenges of building your business, you must persevere and see each task to its end. Quitting or giving up on the smaller problems will only create a pattern that will ultimately lead to giving up on your success. With the previous tips floating through your thoughts, you ought to be ready to take on running your own home business. It does take research, a lot of work and some patience, but if you keep at it, it is indeed achievable. So, go out there, enjoy yourself, and be successful. Student loan.